Across the state line are inching towards reopening, but it will be a long time until things go back to normal, if they ever do.
The idea of living alongside the COVID-19 virus might have some people worried about venturing out when restrictions loosen. One Rockford counselor tells Hannah Zettel there are ways to help calm anyone feeling anxious.
No one is immune to the coronavirus, and in the same way, there isn't a vaccine for mental health issues that might come out of the pandemic. I spoke with a local counseling expert for some tips as the state line starts to reopen.
We are now part of the governor's plan in Restore Illinois to enter into phase 3 of recovery.
For many, the last few months under the stay-at-home order have been filled with uncertainty and caution.
I understand that people are quarantine weary at this point. However, we are going to be really coming out and really wanting to ramp that out so we can recover and restore in a way that's thoughtful, that identifies infections quickly, that does not result in us having to close back down again.
But as the state line prepares to gradually reopen stores and restaurants in less than 2 weeks, some residents may be hesitant to get back to business.
Things that were once normal, like running down to the store without a mask on or being able to gather with family and stuff, is now not normal.
Executive Director of Family Counseling Services, Susan Johnson, says after months of isolation, she wouldn't be surprised if easing back into a new normal would be shocking for some.
I think people should focus in on what they can control. I know this time is really having people feel about they don't have any control over anything and their world is turned upside down, but think about things that you can control.
During a time when important decisions are being made by officials for the public, it's best for residents to pinpoint what they do have power over, such as wearing a mask, deciding when and where to go out, and electing to talk about the situation with others.
There are things in your life that you're able to control to get rid of that feeling of anxiety, like you don't know what's going to happen.
Johnson says the Family Counseling Service Center in Rockford is a great resource for those who are anxious about Illinois reopening. She also suggests talking to trusted friends and family members who are going through the same situation. Reporting in Rockford for your home team, I'm Hannah Zettel.